Hi everyone, hope you are all staying safe. Today I'm going to answer a very common question. Can we pop pimples? Definitely the immediate answer is going to be no. You are not supposed to pop your pimples. But what do you do when there is a visible white pus-filled pimple sitting right there on your skin and you have an important meeting or a party to attend the very next day? Ideal conditions, yes, you have to consult with a dermatologist and you have to get rid of your pimples in a proper way, okay? Because pus signifies that your immunity cells have lost the battle fighting with the acne-causing bacteria, which is called the Propionibacterium acne. And when you're going to go and prick your pimple or you're going to take the pus out using various innovative methods like your nails, safety pin, nail cutter, scissors and razor, toothpaste and whatnot. So whenever you try all these methods, what happens is you end up introducing more bacteria into your skin, because always remember there are bacteria which lives on top of your skin, which is called Staphylococcus epidermidis. As long as they stay on top of your skin, they're happy, they don't cause any much problem. But once you create a breach on your skin, once you're going to create a wound on your skin by pricking it, these bacteria are happily going to invade inside, and that is the time when they become more pathogenic. Yes, they are friends of the acne causing bacteria, so both of them together are going to wreak havoc on your skin, causing more and more pimples, multiply, and that's not going to be really a good sight, isn't it? So ideal conditions, yes, you need a doctor to fix this infection. Pimples is not just about your beauty, but it is something that says that there is active inflammation going on inside your body, which is reflecting on your skin. Skin is also an organ in the body, so whatever happens inside, it's getting reflected. You just can't see the heart, kidney, lungs, liver, but you can see the skin, right? So if at all there is inflammation, systemic inflammation, your something is wrong with your body, either hormones or your blood levels or your immunity, anything of that, it definitely reflects on rest of your organs which you cannot see, and on your skin which you can see. That is another reason why they call skin as a mirror. What do we dermatologists do to pop your pimple? So in that case, you can see that we will be cleaning the area, your skin, and we'll be wearing sterile gloves. We'll be using simple, small, tiny baby syringes, which has a very thin needle. And what we do usually, imagine this is your skin and you have a pimple right here. We don't go like this, we go like this. And then we just take off a little bit of the roof, okay? Just like that, okay? So that's how we actually do it. So that way we ensure that the pus is going to go out, and also you're not going to introduce more bacteria inside your skin, and the scarring and pigmentation is also going to be less. And never squeeze your skin, never squeeze your pimple like this. Always what we usually do is we give a lateral pressure. We press it and we stretch it. When you press and stretch, whatever is inside comes outside. When you squeeze, all the pus and bacteria are going to go inside. Though some little bit of pus will come out and you'll be satisfied that yes, you have taken out the pus, but honestly speaking, most of the pus is going to enter inside and the bacteria also is going to enter inside. So in this method, what we do, we just de-roof the pustule. So that way it is much better. And after doing that, we also apply an antiseptic cream with a benzyl peroxide or a clindamycin or a nadifloxacin or a mupirocin. So these kind of antibacterial creams we apply. So after we do that, it ensures that there is no infection which is going to go on. And certain medicines also will help you out in reducing that pimple overnight.